Hello, this is Mertlis from Vendora team. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how can you download and install Vendora on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. First thing first, open any browser you have and navigate to getvendora.net/lip.app. Click download Vendora. Download will start now. After downloading, just hit the Vendora installer.exe to start installing. And now for the first time installing Vendora on your PC, we got the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen preventing you from installing Vendora in this case, which is totally okay and it's not gonna harm your PC. Just don't panic. This is happening because this application it's not recognized or it doesn't have a digital signature certification on it. We just need to click more info and run anyway. After that, just click install and everything is going to be done. After installing, click finish. And congratulations, you have Vendora now. Thank you so much for watching.